if r vector equal ai plus bj plus ck, then its direction cosines are a upon square root a square plus b square plus c square plus b comma b upon the root a square plus b square plus c square comma c upon square root a square plus b square plus c square, or a by mod r, b by mod r, comma c by mod r, and the direction ratio of r vectors are proportional to abc. Now if or let makes an angle alpha comma beta comma gamma with the positive direction of ox, oy and oz axes respectively. Means if L, M, N are its direction cosine, of r vector, then L equal cos alpha, M equal cos beta, and N equal cos gamma. Now alpha is the angle between r vector and ox vector, means I, let I is a unit vector in the direction of ox, then cos alpha equal, you know that cos alpha equal a vector dot b vector upon mod a mod b dot product, then a vector is r vector and b vector is ox, and the unit vector in the direction of ox is I cap, means cos alpha equal, put the value of r vector ai, this is the formula of scalar product, ai plus bj plus ck dot second vector unit vector in the direction of ox, which is I cap, upon mod value of r vector is a square b square c square, and mod value of I cap is, means this vector I dot I is 1 a by a square plus b square plus c square, also can be written as a by mod r vector, means cos beta, similar process, r dot beta means unit vector in the direction of oy axis is j cap, means r vector dot j cap by mod r vector or mod j cap. Before think that we can write cos alpha equal r vector dot I cap by mod r vector dot mod I cap. After this step comes. Now r vector, the value of r vector is ai plus bj plus ck dot j cap. Mod r vector, value of mod r vector means square root a square plus b square plus c square, and mod j cap is equal 1. J dot j is 1 means this value is b upon under root a square plus b square plus c square means b upon mod r. And cos gamma, gamma is the angle between r vector and unit vector in the direction of OZ axis, means r vector dot k cap upon mod r vector and mod k cap. Then value of r vector is ai plus bj plus ck dot k cap by mod r vector means magnitude of r vector, which is square root a square plus b square plus c square into magnitude of k is 1. Then it is k dot k is 1 means c upon under root a square plus b square plus c square, or it is c upon mod r vector. Cos alpha is the direction cosine of given vector, which means cos alpha is equal L. The value of L is a upon mod r or a upon square root the value of m is second direction cosine cos beta b upon and direction cosine n cos gamma c upon under root c upon mod r, or we say c upon under root a square plus b square plus c square, and the direction ratio are proportional to direction cosines, means direction ratio of r vectors are proportional to direction cosines, in proportional to L, proportional to M, proportional to N. Then it is A, B, C.